Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Tekken 8, where I'm going to show you how you can change the difficulty level within your matches. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tekken 8 game on your device, and after you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, you can choose between various different game modes, and if you choose story mode or player versus CPU for instance, then first of all you will be asked to choose which side you would like to play on. After choosing your size, you will be taken to the character selection screen, from which you can choose your desired character. After choosing your character and proceeding forward, before the match will begin, you will be allowed to choose your difficulty setting. Just choose your desired difficulty level, and then you can choose the stage where you want your fight. And after selecting both of these, your match will now begin with your chosen difficulty setting right away. And now you can start enjoying your Tekken 8 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to be up to date on more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.